2, 1. Take it up. And here we go.
He is not driving a manual Mustang.
Oh, that's closer, that was closer. Yo!
Yo, what is going on, guys? AR Car Reviews back here again with another video.
The title of it, yo. Run that back, yo. Who just tried to serve us? Listen. This is more important, yo.
All right, yeah, do what you gotta do. Right. What is going on, guys? AR Car Reviews back here again with another video, and I gotta do a voiceover for this one because your boy forgot to press the big red recording button, but it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So in today's video, I got my main man here, Terrance, aka Vita Well Fitness. If you guys don't know, you better know. He is one of the best personal trainers out there. So if you guys are trying to get ready for the summer, for the winter, whatever you want to do, make sure you hit your boy up, all right? Today's video, he's going to be learning how to drive stick shift. Yes, sir. He's going to be learning how to drive a manual Mustang as his first manual car, because this man has dreams and goals of one day owning a R34 GTR. You know what I'm saying? So in order to get there, you got to be able to drive the car. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing him how to drive a manual Mustang, which I tend to think is going to be the easiest vehicle to learn manual stick shift on compared to all the other cars I had to drive. Definitely easiest around New York City, but yeah. So all right, hope you guys enjoy this video.
Right now, because I already felt that rub the last time just now. I was like, yeah, maybe
it was a little rough because your movements ain't quick enough. Once you get quicker movements, then I think that
I don't like the feel. I'm like,
the downshifting is a little advanced. So let's try one more time, just around 1, 2, and if you feel for it, 3. I'll let you know. I'll let you know.
All right. So take from the top, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, excuse me.
All right, shoot.
Moment here.
Woman's just calling.
Yeah, important call.
Hello?
Hi, babe. I'm just curious, what time you gonna be home?
Like 30, 40 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What happened? You need something from the store?
No. I'm over here cooking. I was just curious.
Oh, the cooking look good?
Yeah.
All right, because if it look bad, I'm going to be like an hour, 2 hours. All right, bye. All right, so ready? What? I'm serious.
Mad people, bro.
All right, ready?
Should be that you.
All right, so let's try to go back around. So let's try to do one lap and then end like where we started.
Okay, I could do that. Clutch.
All right, drop a like for my boy Terrance, though, man. He killing it. He killing it. He driving a manual Mustang.
I'm trying, yo.
He is not driving a manual Mustang.
Right after the credit, right after you get the credits, though. Take the credits back, though. Then drop the like and then take it back. Like, yo, let me take that back.
Listen, dislike.
Right. Yo, oh, so let me.
You see, you getting it now. You getting it. You know what I'm saying? I gotta talk less.
It's all good.
He's not driving a manual.
Yo, come on, Mustang, work with me.
You got it. You remember half step.
You right.
Blip the gas.
You right.
And just a blip. It don't need to go to 2, 3, 4. Just a blip. It needs to go over 1. And you could keep going it over 1. Yeah.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
That's closer. That was closer.
It's all right. It's hard to get it sometimes. It's all good.
You know the funny part about it is though, is like when you're in the flow is easy. The moment you take a break, your brain and everything has to come back around.
Everything. It's all good.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Take it from the jump.
It'll come. Remember, this is the hardest part.
You made that happen though.
Made it happen?
Yep.
Caught it? You caught it? That was good.
You said go back to starting position or take it all the way around?
No, all the way around.
Okay, gotcha.
Just be careful of them bricks, bro.
I gotcha. Alright, let's see gear 2 feels like.
Second. That's good. You don't have to give it more gas if it's already at like 2, 3.
Oh, okay, got you.
Because you remember when I was on the highway and I just got up to like 4th gear from nothing?
No, you make it good.
Only thing you got to worry about is not 1. and below.
Not one or below. Turn earlier.
Yeah, you good. I'm looking out for bricks. You good. Good, good.
Appreciate you. Not one.
Give it gas, 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 gas. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now you see, it's not getting that much power.
Yeah,
because you're not in the power band.
Oh.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Don't shift. Don't shift. Don't shift.
What does that mean? Not in the power band.
So right now you're in third gear, right?
Yeah.
And your RPMs is really, really low.
I'm trying to not make it over the 1,000, so.
Your RPMs is really, really low. And so because of that, it's like you're going through the gears. Actually, I don't know the reason for it, but it's like you're going through the gears that you missed. You're in third, you should be in 1, 2, then 3.
Right now.
You're gonna like hard accelerate.
Oh, okay.
So when you're hitting the gas and it's not going that way, it's because you should be in a lower gear actually.
Oh,
that's why you hear people go like downshift and so because if I was driving around here, I would be in second gear and that would be it. You know what I mean?
That's fair. That makes sense.
All right, let's come to a stop right here.
Let's come to a stop. Boom, boom. That thing roll out.
That was good. That was good. All right, my boy.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you, man.
You just drove a manual Mustang. You're looking good. You're looking good.
Nah, you helped me, man. By the way, Mustang's a good car to learn on, yo.
They're a good
Mustangs,
car.
All right?
The first gear is super long. If you were driving an STI, a Honda Civic Type R, first gear, you would have had to learn to shift to second before you learned how to finish first.
Damn, yo.
Because it's just like first, second. Like you gotta go immediately.
Listen, guys, if you think about getting a first car, Mustang, yo.
Gotta get a Mustang.
Right?
We need more people to beat the stereotypes. Come on.
Yo, come on now, man. All right, also, yo, shout out to my man's Akeem, all right? Man, been doing this for a couple years now.
Yes, sir.
Been killing it. All right, respect you, all right?
Appreciate you.
We love the Mustang. Keep making these videos, bro.
All right,
really
appreciate you, man.
Right?
Thank you, bro.
Say a word.
And again, check out my man's Vita Well Fitness. Personal trainer, he got you, all right? He gonna get you right for the summertime.
And tight. And tight.
Yes, officer. That's him. That's him right there.
I'm just saying. The ladies love it that right. He came back in the car, yo.
So what happens if you got a man customer? That's crazy.
We need you too, man. We need to mend them too, all right? All right, but I can't have a line for that one. You know what I mean? My Jamaican self can't have a line for it, but you know, shout out to the men them too.
Fire for that.
Man a drag man balls to the sea. I want that now. Man a drag man balls to them sea. Man them a fight over dragging ball. You a man dead and them use the balls to bring him back.
Why? Yeah, man. Yo. Shout out to you guys, though. Thanks for watching for the end, though.
Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you want to see Terrance back again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You feel me?
Better yet, though, do you want to guys see a donut before we leave here?
All right, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it.
Snap it.
All right, let me switch to the driver's seat.
Yep, the driver coming in.
All right. I ain't gonna do too much, just a little something, because it's a full parking lot.
Oh, yes, a lot of people here. Right here is perfect, though. Looks like it. Is it even, though? Nah, that's not even.
Is it even?
Right. Doom. If you guys want to see us do donuts in the next video.
Yeah, no. I need my tires. I need my tires, bro. I ain't never felt this much pressure before, bro.
Oh, shoot. Yo.
And that's how you leave.
That thing feel crazy.
That's how you leave. Those were some disciplined donuts. You know?
Yeah. You kept it under control. You kept it under control, though. You didn't give him too much. Yeah, you gave too much.
Come on, man.
Yeah, shoot.
Come
Say
on,
word.
man.
I was lost my week just now.
That's how you leave a car meet.
Say word.
And then we can get a quick little 0 to 60, but the roads is a little.
Yeah, wait until these cars go all the way down
The
first.
roads is a little. You know, that's how you warm up the tires.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it up. Here we go. Come on. What you got? How many seconds was that?
I don't even want to talk about it.
Alright.
Bro,
It's all good.
It canceled the test.
Yeah. Oh, damn,
That's
bro.
bad. What you call it again? It basically said I started the race too late, but that was the best take, bro.
Yeah, that was a good takeoff, though.
Oh my god.
Maybe
You know what? We got the
that's
video.
like, yeah.
But I don't even know what time I hit 60.
Yeah, that's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
It is what it is. I had fun. Did you have fun?
I had fun, bro.
And
This
the
is
car
live.
still worked. What more could you add?
Yeah, we can make
Come
it home
on,
to
man.
some good dinner, too.
Right.
Well, you make it home to some good dinner. Shoot. I need to get myself a wife.
Oh, I'm shifting bad. I'm not
You're good. You're good.
But yeah, all right, guys. That's been the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit up Terrance on Instagram, social media, all that type of stuff. Make sure you follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. AR, out.
Peace out.